Kristen, she asked me some questions, so I kind of want to answer them. She asked me, what did I think about the swimsuit models? And I was like, whoa. And I saw this girl from Iowa, and I was like, whoa, she is ugly. And the last one, I liked her. She was good. I liked her. But some of them are just like, yeah. And that's what I want. I want to go like, yeah! And I'm like more feeling it. Yeah. So.
Ready for some random dancing? What about Grace?
And there's one girl, well, a couple of them, and they showed their boobs.